Welcome back. What we're going to do first is we're going to admit this guest. We're going to make them part of our meeting. We're going to close the participant box. And what we're going to do is we're going to right-click at the top of the stream. And basically, one of the things we can do now is we can have another individual inside of the room, and we can make it so that the video is going to be pinned. That means then that the camera and the recording is going to stay on that individual that we decide is going to be pinned. Otherwise, we will be the individual pinned. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click Pin the Video. Now what we're seeing is what's actually going to be part of the recording, because the video will then be pinned. If we need to unpin the video, we can go to the left-hand corner. We can click this button that says Unpinned Video. But what we can add to this system is that we can go and we can share our screen. So for example, what we can do here is we can click Share Screen. We can do it so that one participant can share at a time, or as the host, we can make it so that multiple participants can share simultaneously. Now for the sake of simplicity, we are going to make it so that only one participant can share at a time. We are then going to click our screen share button, and we're going to share our screen. Once we've completed the process of sharing our screen, we can click the Stop Screen Share. That brings us back to the Zoom meeting. Now what we also have available to us are going to be called Breakout Rooms. We can go down to the bottom, and we can click the button that says Breakout Rooms. We're going to assign specific individuals to breakout rooms. We can do it so that these individuals will be assigned automatically, or we can do it manually. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to create one room, and what we can do is we can then assign an individual that's part of the meeting to that open room. So these controls give us more control over how we're going to conduct our meeting and how we're going to present our content. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.